So chances are you and your team are already using AI in your day-to-day work. But here's the big question. Are you using it smartly? How do we get from a few people just experimenting with prompts to a real company-wide strategy? Well, that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. How to build a genuine prompt engineering culture in your organization. And just a quick heads up before we dive in, this is part 18 of a free tutorial on prompt engineering strategies from Virtualization Options LLC. Okay, let's get into it. Let's kick things off with a really important question. Is your team actually using AI, or is the AI kind of using your team? See, when there's no real plan, you end up with this chaotic, unstructured approach, and that can lead to inconsistent results, people doing the same work over and over, and even some pretty serious security risks. It's a super common problem, but thankfully, it's one we can definitely solve. And the solution? It's all about building a prompt culture. This is how you take all those scattered individual AI skills and transform them into a powerful organization-wide capability. We're talking about embedding AI excellence right into the DNA of your company. So how do we actually build this culture? Well, it all starts with our very first pillar, training for all staff. We've got to move past this idea that AI is just for the tech experts. To get real value out of it, absolutely everyone needs to feel empowered to use it. You know, prompt engineering is quickly becoming a core business skill. It's kind of like knowing how to use a spreadsheet or write a professional email. It doesn't matter if you're in analytics, marketing, or management. Knowing how to communicate effectively with AI is key. Seriously, training your non-technical staff, that's the secret sauce for getting widespread adoption and unlocking some truly amazing innovation. Okay, let's move on to our second pillar, building shared prompt libraries. I want you to think of this as creating your company's official playbook for AI. It's one central spot where all the best, most effective prompts are stored, shared, and constantly improved. Now, when you look at these benefits, consistent quality, faster output, holding on to critical knowledge, these are no-brainers for any business. But the real power, the thing that makes this a total game changer, is what's happening underneath. Creating a prompt library forces your entire organization to codify its strategic thinking. You actually have to sit down and agree on things like, what does a great market analysis look like for us? Or what's our brand voice in a customer response? It turns abstract strategy into a concrete, repeatable action, and that is incredibly powerful. All right, our third and final pillar is all about establishing clear rules and governance. Now, I know the word governance can sound a bit restrictive, maybe even boring, but it's not about slowing people down. It's about creating the rules of the road so that everyone in your organization can innovate safely and effectively. And just look at this table. The difference is night and day, right? Without any governance, you're looking at unreliable quality, major security risks, and people just wasting time on redundant work. But with a solid governance framework, your AI use becomes high quality, secure, and totally scalable. The key takeaway here is that structure doesn't limit your freedom, it actually enables it. It lets you move faster, but safely. Okay, so we've covered the what and the why. So what's your first step? How do you take all this knowledge and turn it into action, like right now? Here is a simple but really powerful exercise. I want you to think about your team and just identify one recurring task. So what's a good candidate for this? Well, look for things that are high volume, maybe like generating those weekly social media posts, or perhaps tasks where consistency is absolutely critical, like how you respond to customer service tickets. An even better one? Look for a task where there's a high risk of error, like drafting initial summaries of really complex documents. The goal is just to find that one task where a pre-approved prompt will make a huge immediate impact. So just to make sure we're all on the same page with the key term we've been using, a prompts library. It's simply that central collection of your best performing prompts. Again, think of it as your company's AI playbook, making sure everyone is working from the same script for consistent, efficient results. And let's quickly nail down governance one more time. It's just the framework of rules and policies you set up. It's what ensures that as your AI usage grows, it stays safe, compliant, and perfectly aligned with your business goals. It's the guardrails that let you go fast without going off the road. To wrap all this up, I want to leave you with this final thought. The future of business isn't just using AI, it's building a culture that masters it. It's about making that crucial shift from seeing AI as just a tool to embracing it as a core capability. And that's a shift that starts right now.